Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Engineer and Thee with your host, Engineer Man Stan. And today, the montage video. Roll it. Okay, so on today's video, we're going to go ahead and print the mini ATX case for a thing called a TuringPi. It is a cloud development developer board that uses Raspberry Pi modules to make essentially a cloud computing device. This was meant to be used as a cloud-based server for my YouTube channel that I had intentions on actually putting together. Just lack of money, lack of everything else, and of course, not really testing the 3D printer. But as you saw in my previous episode, the 3D printer works pretty good. It's the MVP. So today, we're going to go ahead and actually do a 3D print for the case for this. That way, when I get the Raspberry Pi modules, we can go ahead and build my cloud computing center that is meant for my channel, so we can go ahead and upload files and do all these other happy cool stuff for my channel that is essential for us to be essential for my channel. Essentially, it's going to be very beneficial, and like I said, it's going to be available for uploading files to the cloud, and having that availability to my fan base, and it's going to be little projects that is guaranteed to work. You guys can go ahead and make your own stuff based off of the designs that I put on here. Of course, it's going to be open source stuff. It's not going to be something that I'm going to end up trying to sell and market to the rest of everybody. While everybody is doing t-shirts and plushies and all the other happy fun stuff that's out there. No offense to those. I mean, that's a great marketing play, but unfortunately for my channel and for the sake of everybody else in this channel that's watching, plushies and t-shirts are not gonna cut it, sadly. And that's the reason why we have the USPS weight scale system that I am going to use to make packages. They're going to be small. They're going to be little things that I'm going to send out to my fan base, and it's going to be stuff that you guys request or ask for, or and it's just going to be good stuff. Overall, I think it's going to be a great addition to to the channel, and I really hope you guys appreciate and enjoy another montage video. I have no idea how long this one's going to be. The first print alone is 3 hours and 48 minutes. Yikes! So this was that's just print number 1 of how many? Hold on. You're going to watch my back for a second. I'm sorry. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 pieces to assemble and print. Holy! Yeah, we're going to be here for a while on these. I think I'm going to actually cut the video and save you guys a lot of montaging things, I guess. So yeah, but so just make sure to turn the video back on and have everything running for when things get interesting and whatnot. And we'll go from there. So, let's begin this. This is going to be awesome. So, yeah, going through my software, I'm going to go ahead and bring her up. I'm going to go ahead and keep it the standard ABS gray. I know a lot of people print in PLA and whatnot, but I wanted something a little bit stronger, a little bit more durable in the end. Because PLA, when I had something printed off of PLA, it didn't feel great. It didn't have a quality feel to it. And so that's the reason why I'm going to go ahead and print with ABS. And hopefully that my printer's big enough for this. Because, I mean, this little board, I mean, it's not big, but it's got a good, decent size to it. Let me get it out right quick. It's still sealed in bag. It goes to show you how well I actually wanted this thing, right? Alright, so I pulled it out of the bag. That's what we're looking at. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. But when I place it onto the heating pad, it fits. It has potential. I mean, hopefully this will be a good. Hopefully it'll turn out within reason. Like I said, we are dealing with a smaller platform on a 3D printing surface, and I thought it was a lot bigger than that, but apparently I made mistakes. But again, I was expecting this to be exactly what I needed, because I was going to print vertical versus print horizontal flat. So I accounted for a lot of space going vertical for everything. But yeah, let's take a look at this right quick and see what it looks like. I actually never took a look at this cloud computing device. All right. Would you look at that? That's pretty. That is beautiful. Really, really beautiful. The people that made this is incredible. And it's got SD card slots. This is where Raspberry Pi modules fit into. Apparently, I guess I got to get a CMOS battery at some point, which shouldn't be a big deal or anything. This is incredible. This was a crowd-funded device, and I kind of got lucky enough to be a part of it, and therefore got a prototype module that was released to people. So some things on Kickstarter and those other crowdfunding places, the stuff is legit, and this is one of them. And this is going to be exciting. I really can't wait to see how everything's going to turn out. So without further ado, now I'm just going to go ahead and begin the printing of the case and see how things go. And then when things start happening, I'll come back and we'll go ahead and take a gander at stuff. So let's see. Let's begin. This is so exciting. And yay! All right, let's just zoom. We almost had a mistake there. Hold on one second. Wow, I gotta mute that. I gotta mute that. I gotta mute that. So yeah, we almost had a mistake there. We almost reprinted this. We almost made another reprint of this. Oops. But hopefully now I fixed that and things hopefully will be better and whatnot. So yeah. Oops. Back to the montage. So what ended up happening was the adhesion wasn't adhering. It wasn't making good adhesion to the bed, and thus kind of pulling up on one end, and that's not good. So hopefully I cleaned it up a bit and cleared it up a bit. So hopefully that fixes everything. But who knows? We'll find out here now. It's not even contacting the bed. What the hell? Hold on, folks. We got a problem here. Maybe this fixed everything. Who knows? Yeah, just really unique what's going on here. Hopefully now it'll actually adhere and actually print. I think the problem was I didn't build a raft and it was trying to print everything, so I didn't build a bed or anything. Maybe this time it'll actually print and actually print good. We'll find out here in a bit for sure. Alright, well, let's try that again, huh? And this time, hopefully this time it will actually work properly. Alright, back in a bit. We ran into a small problem. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to try to fix it right quick. So we're going to go ahead and stop the video right now and go from there. Okay, hopefully this time I fixed the bed to where it's making contact properly and it'll actually print like it's supposed to. Hopefully. Which it's not. Oh, crap. Really? Okay, try this one more time. Apparently, trying to the part was building vertically, and therefore I believe that was the problem. But I think we kind of figured it out now, and hopefully now it'll actually print proper. Let's see if we get that. I'll be honest, I would like to try to go to bed before well, the night gets too late, but, you know, hey, to each their own on this one, huh? It would really, like I said, be great to go to bed before the night gets too late, but now it's set for 2 hours, 20 minutes, so who knows? Maybe I'll get done before then, or maybe I'll get done afterwards. But trying to get this first print done. It's a thing. So, countless problems. Countless problems. Um, Maybe we fixed it now. Who knows? We're going to make it red, though. Red, hot red. That'll be a cool color for a computer case. Anyways, back in a bit. Okay, so I believe I fixed it. It's going to be an ugly print, but at least it'll be printed. We'll find out here in a bit how bad it's going to look, but I think we got it to where it'll actually start printing properly and actually keep going without trying to lift off the raft and stuff, or the bottom. So hopefully this will work. We'll find out here soon enough. Alright, it's gonna be time. It's time that I cut the video right quick and let you guys see what happens in about a couple more minutes, or a few minutes from now. Alright. At all. I did actually make a lot of adjustments in the video, prior videos, by making the bed closer to the nozzle, and it took some tweaking, and it was going to take some more tweaking after I get the new um, bed cover, because that's going to be a lot thicker than what's on here now, so I'll have to adjust it again. But at least here, I got it fully adjusted, and I'm just going to continue on with this print, even though it's bad print. It's nice knowing what is working, what isn't, to get these things out of the way. And I believe I figured out everything that was becoming an issue, and hopefully now things will actually print better when I start up this again later on this week. Currently, we don't have what's necessary to actually get this done, so this particular prints. So later on in the week, we can go ahead and discuss further, or at least try again. But yeah, this is a failed print for sure, and looks like we're going to have to try to do this again another time. At least, like I said, we're getting through and understanding what's going on, why it's doing so. It's taken a little bit of understanding and tweaking to see how the temperatures are working for each different types of filaments. PLA is definitely a lot better because it requires lower temperatures, and the adhesion is a lot better than ABS. Only because ABS is at the upper end scale of what we're allowed to really work with on this particular unit. Other than that, sucks it's a failed print. Just kind of hoping for better. But, it is what it is. At least now we understand, like I said, and it's getting late. I think I'm going to go ahead and just, end the video now. There's no point in actually showing you the end result. As you can clearly see, the end result is it's going to look like some sort of warped plastic piece, which, like I said, sucks. It is what it is. But with that said, I think, I guess, we're just going to go ahead and end this video. It's unfortunate. Really is. Like I said, I was hoping for better in the end, and things just didn't work out. But at least we got the printer. It prints. It's making prints. That's a good sign. That's a definite good sign. It's a sign of a strong start, like we were mentioning earlier, you know, it is what it is. Most unfortunate. Had wished for better results, just ever so. It's just, like I said, we gave it a try. Oh well. I'm going to let this finish, like I said, because I'm not about ready to. I want to see what the rest of it looks like, see if it'll actually straighten out, which I seriously doubt it will. But you never know. But it'll give me a better idea as to what needs to be done next time. Um, please like and subscribe to my videos. I would like to also ask that you hit the notification bell icon, and so you can be notified when I upload new videos. As I as I stated earlier in an update video, we're going to go ahead and start uploading much more often. We're going to go ahead and pull on through, full steam ahead, and yeah, it's really super nice that we got things going on. Another thing is the I have a laser engraver or a laser burner printer that burns an image into certain materials, and that was tested a long time ago, and it works, no problems whatsoever. It does need to be. I do need to put down the pad that's supposed to be in there because it does shift around a lot inside, but that's neither here nor there. That's easily fixable and whatnot. I got to figure out where I did with the pad. Have no idea where it's at. It's around here somewhere. And so we tested now. We've tested and we ran a print on the 3D printer. I've tested and ran the laser engraver slash printer. We got the Allen Bradley starting to work. We are missing a few